So let's talk about time for money and how it is outdated. What does your life look like today? Are you working full time on a corporate job? Do you wish there were more time to spend with your kids and or your family, to your hobbies, working out or just traveling? Working a full-time job is an active income. An active income means that you're consistently trading your time for money. A passive income, on the other hand, means that you're trading an automated service for money. With an active income, if you don't work, you're not earning money. It's that simple. If you're working a construction job and damage your hip, you will be unable to do the work required, which also means that you won't be making any money. There are two problems with this approach. Number one, your time is worth far more than you're currently trading it for. And number two, your income is still dependent on your actively working for it. Wealthy and free people, however, operates on a completely different level. They've detached their physical time for their income. And whenever they do any work, it will always be available, such as a digital product, affiliate link through a review, etc. That will still be gathering money years from now. And this is the place where we want to be. And this is the place available and waiting for you if you decide to embark on this journey now. Now, freedom doesn't mean that there's one size fits all. Some people love their job but want to make more money. With a passive income, you'll be getting the benefits of continuing on your active income while also enjoying the streams of a passive one. If you aren't yet convinced of the benefits of a passive income, here are our top 5 reasons to have it. Number 1, a passive income gives you the freedom of time. Just like we previously spoken about, there's nothing more important than time. It's the great equalizer, and we all be giving as many hours in a day. When you're no longer bound to financial requirements that comes with an active income, you'll be free to live your life as you please. Number 2, remove stress, fear, and anxiety for the future. Is there any worse than the inability to pay your bills? Especially if you're having a family that you need to take care of and who depends on you. Now that's not only daily stress, weekly and monthly stress, but a constant and future stress as well. It beats you and it kills your future aspirations and hopes. With a passive income, you'll be financially stable and free, allowing yourself to spend time with your own development, with your family, and focusing on well-being and growth. Number 3, freedom to pursue what you love. When you're financially free on a passive income, time is at your hands. With all this time, you will be able to pursue doing what you love to do and still have all the time you need and want for your family. How awesome. And number 4, it allows you to live and work from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a big fan of traveling or just enjoying going away for a vacation, there will be plenty of time to explore the world. Or if you choose, live from anywhere in the world. By turning into a passive income, all you need to bring with you is your laptop, and then you're good to go. And number 5, freedom and stability in financial growth. Oh my God, I love those words. When you no longer have to work actively to meet your financial needs, there's plenty of time and space to grow and stabilize your income. With all this free time on your hands, you are free to do what you want with it. Whether it be growing it into millions or simply having enough to live a free life. In any case, a passive income is the gateway to living your life the way you want to live it. If you're ready to put in a lot of work up front and go through potentially hard times and struggles, this freedom is yours to have permanently. If you decided that this is what you want to do, we invite you to join us and will guide you and show you exactly how to gain this freedom. Remember, we're the tool. You need to be the one that's using the tool. Did you settle your mind yet? If so, let's move on to the next lecture and learn the first method in how to gain a passive income. Let's go!